The 250 Amp TIG Welder 3-in-1 model offers versatile welding solutions suitable for a variety of materials, including stainless steel and aluminum. Equipped with 2T, 4T modes and high-frequency TIG technology, this welder is designed to minimize material consumption while delivering powerful performance. Its portability is enhanced by a lightweight design and a convenient handle, making it easy to transport and use across different welding projects. The welder supports TIG welding thicknesses from 0.3 mm to 4.8 mm, and arc welding thicknesses from 15 mm to 42 mm, showcasing its impressive range. Energy efficiency is a key feature with automatic voltage fluctuation compensation and protections against overvoltage, undervoltage, overcurrent, and overload. Manufactured by Win-Win under the S7 brand, this model is a reliable choice for both professional and hobbyist welders.